from a close distance from where the building that collapsed yesterday night. This is the excavator coming to this building, and with properties inside and people inside. The plan is to demolish this same building here at Ibadan Street. It's believed that this building is distressed. According to the officials, they have given them notice, and you can see the excavator is coming to come and bring down this building with people inside and properties inside. And this is the situation right now at Ebutemeta, and there's confusion everywhere. People are trying to back their goods outside. I don't know how this is going to happen when there are still people inside. People are sleeping, and the excavator is coming, and you can see people are protesting, saying no, they should hold on. You see, that was dangerous. That was dangerous, almost. And people are inside. Is this going to happen? There are people here inside this building. You can see people running, and the excavator is going to kill people. Is it going to kill people? People are shouting. People are shouting. What's going to happen here? You can see people are inside. They are trying to hold on, to hold on, to hold on. But it's not holding down. And see people, you can see. This is the situation here at Ibadan. This is the situation here at Ibadan. People are shouting. There's confusion here at this moment. See people. There are people inside. They are shocked. They are shocked. They are surprised. You can see people are protesting. People are protesting. People are protesting. Yeah, this is the situation here at Ibadan Street, Ebutemeta. You can see the people, they are rushing to carry their goods away.